Karibu tena. Welcome KCSE Med Familia Mathematics Workbook Past KCSE Questions 1989 to 2015 is the book that we are using, and we are doing 12 equation of a straight line, and we are doing number 1, 2 to 3, and our number 1 says a robust PQR is such that Q lies on the x-axis. The coordinate of vectors P and R are 2, 4, and 6, 2 respectively. A, determine the coordinate of Q. B, determine the coordinate of S. And we have here already, we have P and no, we have P and R. We have P and R. Now we are looking for Q and S. Q and S. And here is our question already written. So please look for this book and confirm all the answers and everything that we are doing if you want to be helped. And if you have any questions that you see is that you know that I can help, or you want me to help, just ask. Go to my WhatsApp number and ask the question. And our question says a robust PQR is such that Q lies on the x-axis. The coordinate of vectors P and R are 2, 4, and 2, 6 respectively. A, determine the coordinate of Q, 4 marks. Determine the coordinate of S, 4 marks. And all the formulas that we are going to use are, change in y, change in x, y minus y, x minus x is equals to gradient. That is our number 1 formula. Our number 2 formula is midpoint formula. Our midpoint formula is x plus x over 2, y plus y over 2 is our midpoint formula, and our coordinate formula is x plus x over 2 is equals to x midpoint. Then y plus y over 2 is equals to y midpoint. That is our formulas. Now let us start with this one here. So we have P and R. We have P and R. So x, y, 2, 4, 6, and 2. So we are going to start with this formula here. So our y's, here they are, and our x, here they are. So 4 minus 2 over 2 minus 6 is equals to 2, 4, 2. Our gradient, so our gradient, what do we have? Gradient is equals to 2. Our gradient already is 2. And now we are going to look for our midpoint. And our midpoint is, here it is, x. So our x, here they are already. So our x is our x 2 plus 6 over 2. And our y 4 plus 2 over 2, 6, 7, 8 over 4, 4, 5, 6 over 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2. No, here is 2. 2, 1, 2, 4. So 4 over 3 is our midpoint. So this is our mid point already here. Now we are going to look for our coordinate. Our next step is our coordinate. Let us come here. Coordinate Q. Our coordinate Q, already we have our midpoint. Our midpoint is 4 and 3. And our gradient is 2. So we shall represent something. Let me see, X, Y. We shall represent something, so X, 0. So XY, 4. X is our already arranged. So here is our formula. Let us first do this one here. I don't know if you can see them. 3 minus 0 over 4 minus x is equals to our gradient 2 over 1 cross multiply. If you cross multiply from 3 minus 0 is equals to 8 minus 2x. So when 3 kikuja huku ita change sign, itakuwa ni positive. Sasa itakuwa negative 3, na hii 2 negative 2 ikienda huku itakuwa positive 2. So ni 2x over 8 minus 3. 2x is equals to 5 over 2 over 2. 2 inaenda hapo, inaenda hapa, inakuwa x is equals to 2.5. So yeah, hii x hapa ni 2.5. Mona. So our Q already tumepata Q ni 2.5 na 0. Mona. Q ni 2.5 na 0. So twende hapa sasa kwa hii formula yetu ya coordinates. Formula yetu ya coordinate ndo hii hapa. Wacha nirudi nyuma kidogo uione. Ndo hii hapa. Coordinate S ndo hii hapa. So tuchukue x na y. Mona. Na midpoint yetu ni 4 na 3. So unaona mali midpoint inatumika. So lazima midpoint zikuwe hapo. Haya. X, y. So 2.5 na 0. X na y. Our x and our y ndo hizo hapa. Meziona. So hapa tutafanya 0 minus y over ndo hii hapa over 2 is equals to our y ni x na ni y. Kwa our coordinate our y ni 3 over 1 cross multiply, utapata ni 0 minus y is equals to 6. So y is equals to 6. So our y here, mona y hapa ni 6. Y hapa ni 6. So acha niandike hapa ndio uweze kuiona. Y ni 6 hapo. Sawa. Haya, twende kutafuta sasa x. X ndo hii hapa sasa. 2.5 plus x over 2 is equals to our midpoint x hapa. Midpoint x yetu ni 4 over 1 cross multiply. Cross multiply utapata 2.5 plus x is equals to 8. Hapa ni 1x is equals to 8. So e 2.5 ikikuja hii side ita change sign. Sai ni positive, ikuja itakuwa negative. So itakuwa negative 2, 5. So x is equals to 8 minus 2.58 minus, tutakufanyia hapa 8 minus 2.5 ni 5.5. So our x hapa ni 5.5. Mona. So our s, our q tulipata ndo hii, our q ndo hii hapa. So our ndo hii hapa, question yetu ndo hii. Q ni 4 marks, s ni 4 marks. So q tulipata ndo hii hapa, q tumepata ni 2.5 na 0. Alafu tumekuja tumepata s ni 5.5 na 6. So those are our answers, and hiyo ni robos number 1 equation ya, ukisoma tutasikia robos PQR is such that, sasa hiyo ni number 1 equation of a straight line, and tumetoa kwa hii made familia 1989 to 2015. Unaweza enda nyuma uka confirm answers kama ziko, confirm answers uone tuko correct ama tunafanya vitu zetu. Let us confirm that one. Acha tu confirm hiyo number. Sasa na hii kutafutana huko nyuma ndio ni spendi. Tena tuanze. Tuko karibu kufika. Chana nayo inanikulia time. So number 2 ndo hiyo. Number 2 inasemaje? A perpendicular is drawn from a point 35 to the line 2y plus x is equals to 3. Find the equation of the perpendicular. Angalia hapa ndio kuna tricky kama ujui. Find the equation of the perpendicular. Mona, find the equation of the perpendicular. So wacha tuanze hapa. Kwanza tu arrange hii. Tukiarrange hii itakuwa 2y sijui kwa nini nafanya hivyo. Kwa nini nafanya hivyo, focus inapotea maneno ya 2y plus x is equals to 3. Tuna arrange sasa. Sasa ukiarrange utapata 2y is equals to negative plus 3 over 2 over 2 over 2. Hii 2 ita cancel hapo, itabaki y is equals to negative x over 2 plus 3 over, this is our gradient. Hiyo ndio gradient yetu, na tumepewa 3 na 5 x y. Mona, x y x y. Haya, ukiarrange utapata y minus 5 over x minus 3 is equals to our gradient, which is 1 over 2. And remember, umeambiwa hivi, find the equation of the perpendicular. Perpendicular, hapa ndio kuna trick, hapa ndio max yako inapotelelea hapa kama ujui. The equation of the perpendicular, and this is not the perpendicular. So hiyo ndio umepata, si ndio? Alafu the perpendicular itakuwa, mona. So kikuja hapa y 5 over x is equals to 2. Cross multiply. Cross multiply itakuwa 5 is equals to 2x minus 6. Mona. Aya, ukiarrange y is equals to 2x. Hii 5 ikikuja huku ina change sign na kwa plus 5. So 2y is equals to 2x negative 6 plus 5 inakuwa hivyo minus 1. Umeona? So this is our answer. Umeona? So umeona vile hiyo inafanywa? That is our answer number 2. And our number 3, nasema a perpendicular to the line y minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0 passes through the point this, determine its equation. Umeona tena kuna kitu perpendicular to the line. Perpendicular to the line. Ukisikia perpendicular to the line, hapo ndio kuna tricky. Na hapo ndio max itapotelelea. So wacha tuendelee. Na sum iko hivi. 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Ukiona umepewa kitu kama hii, rudisha answer in this form. Ukipewa, rudisha answer in this form. So let us ax plus bx is equals to c. Mona? So hapa hivi a iko wapi? Endo hii, b ndo hii, c ndo hii. Mona? So ukiarrange itakupeaje? Y is equals to